Alright, a beautiful morning everyone. Welcome once again to our Mission Aero Zumba group here at the function hall of Botanical Garden. Ayan, back to the previous place kung saan kami nagsusumba, pero dito muna kami sa function hall kasi medyo makulimlim. Ayan, panlaban namin sa ulan yan. Pero pag walang ambon, ay doon kami sa labas niyan magsusumba. So, enjoy ladies sa ating dance exercise for Sunday. Today Sunday, kaya ang ating Zumba is free. Free Zumba. Ayan, ang aming dance instructor, si Cheche Orion, because ang aming regional instructor ay may sakit at nagpapagaling, kaya si Zin Cheche Orion muna ang aming dance instructor. Enjoy ladies for this dance exercise, and thank you so much guys for watching our Zumba video. God bless everyone. Have a blessed Sunday morning.